Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your cleaning routine, the AZVKEA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful suction. The AZVKEA is equipped with a cutting-edge 550-watt motor that delivers an impressive 45 kPa suction power in max mode. This powerful suction effortlessly removes dust, debris, peat hair, and stains from various surfaces, including hard floors, tiles, carpets, and hardwood floors, while maintaining a quiet operation to minimize disturbance to family and pets. Extended runtime. Featuring a built-in 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery, this vacuum offers remarkable longevity with up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time. The power-saving technology allows users to select from 3 suction modes: 20 minutes in max mode, 40 minutes in mid-mode, and 60 minutes in mid-mode and 60 minutes in min-mode, ensuring flexibility to tackle different cleaning tasks at your own pace. V-shaped anti-tangle brush. The innovative V-shaped anti-tangle floor brush is designed to prevent hair and pet hair from tangling during use. Its combination of a leather strip and toothy comb effectively manages hair, while the high-speed motor enhances cleaning efficiency. Additionally, an LED headlight illuminates the cleaning path, making it easier to spot dirt and debris. Dual-handheld and upright design. Designed for comfort and accessibility, the AZVKEA vacuum features an ergonomic dual handle with 2 grips, allowing for easy maneuverability under furniture. The upright design ensures that users can pause cleaning without needing to find a resting place, offering a seamless cleaning experience. Compact and lightweight design. The AZVKEA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed with portability in mind, making it easy to carry and maneuver around the home. Its lightweight construction allows for effortless handling, whether you're cleaning high shelves or tight corners. High-efficiency filtration system. This cordless vacuum employs an 8-stage cyclonic multi-cone dust control system that captures 99.99% of fine dust and allergens, thanks to its built-in HEPA filter. It effectively traps particles as small as 0.1 m, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for you and your family. Click the link in the description below to purchase the AZVKEA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pet product reviews.